Hey, how are you? In this video, we will be talk about top 10 Hollywood fantasy adventurous movies part 2. Number 10, Annihilation. 2018, Lena, a biologist and former soldier, joins a mission to uncover what happened to her husband inside Area X, a sinister and mysterious phenomena that is expanding across the American coastline. Once inside, the expedition discovers a world to mutated landscapes and creatures as dangerous as it is beautiful, that threatens both their lives and their sanity. Number 9, Planet of the Apes new series. A global nuclear war has decimated the earth and Caesar, now the ape leader, tries to develop peace between apes and humans. Although a gorilla general disapproves and plots Caesar's downfall so that he can gain control of the apes and lead them to the future foretold in the original film. Number 8, X-Men Apocalypse. Worshipped as a god since the dawn of civilization, the immortal Apocalypse, Oscar Isaac, becomes the first and most powerful mutant. Awakening after thousands of years, he recruits the disheartened Magneto, Mikhail Fassbender, and other mutants to create a new world order. As the fate of the Earth hangs in the balance, Professor X, James McAvoy, and Raven Jennifer Lawrence lead a team of young X-Men to stop their seemingly invincible nemesis from destroying mankind. Number 7, Passenger 2016. On a routine journey through space to a new home, two passengers sleeping in suspended animation are awakened 90 years too early when their ship malfunctions. As Jim and Aurora face living the rest of their lives on board with every luxury they could ever ask for, they begin to fall for each other, unable to deny their intense attraction until they discover the ship is in grave danger. With the lives of 5,000 sleeping passengers at stake, only Jim and Aurora can save them all. Number 6, Alita Battle Angel 2019. Set several centuries in the future, the abandoned Alita is found in the scrapyard of Iron City by Ido, a compassionate cyber doctor who takes the unconscious cyborg Alita to his clinic. When Alita awakens, she has no memory of who she is, nor does she have any recognition of the world she finds herself in. As Alita learns to navigate her new life and the treacherous streets of Iron City, Ido tries to shield her from her mysterious past. Number 5, Lucy 2014. When a boyfriend tricks Lucy, Scarlett Johansson, into delivering a briefcase to a supposed business contract, the once carefree student is abducted by thugs who intend to turn her into a drug mule. She is surgically implanted with a package containing a powerful chemical, but it leaks into her system, giving her superhuman abilities, including telekinesis and telepathy. With her former captors in pursuit, Lucy seeks out a neurologist, Morgan Freeman, who she hopes will be able to help her. Number 4, The Time Machine 2002. Scientist and inventor Alexander Hartdagan, Guy Pearce, is determined to prove that time travel is possible. His determination is turned to desperation by a personal tragedy that now drives him to want to change the past. Testing his theories with a time machine of his own invention, Hartdagan is hurtled 8 lakh years into the future, where he discovers that mankind has divided into the hunter and the hunted. Number 3, Journey to the Center of the Earth 2008. Professor Trevor Anderson receives his teenager nephew Sean Anderson. He will spend 10 days with his uncle while his mother Elizabeth prepares to move to Canada. She gives a box to Trevor that belonged to his missing brother. Max and Trevor find a book with references to the last journey to his brother. He decides to follow the steps of Max with Sean and they travel to Iceland, where they meet to guide Hannah Asgirson. While climbing a mountain, there is a thunderstorm and they protect themselves in a cave. However, lightning collapses the entrance and the trio is trapped in the cave. They seek an exit and fall in a hole, discovering a lost world in the center of the earth. Number 2, Mortal Engines 2018. Hundreds of years after a cataclysmic event destroyed civilization, mysterious young Hester Shaw emerges as the only one who can stop the city of London, now a giant predator on wheels. From devouring everything in its path, feral and fiercely driven by the memory of her mother, Hester joins forces with Tom Nadsworthy, an outcast from London, and Anna Fang, a dangerous outlaw with a bounty on her head. Number 1, Ghost in the Shell 2017. In the near future, Major is the first of her kind, a human who is cyber enhanced to be a perfect soldier, devoted to stopping the world's most dangerous criminals. When terrorism reaches a new level that includes the ability to hack into people's minds and control them, Major is uniquely qualified to stop it. As she prepares to face a new enemy, Major discovers that her life was stolen instead of saved. Now she will stop at nothing to recover her past while punishing those who did this to her.